As the recognized industry leader in all forms of artificial lift, Weatherford offers a full range of products, services, and support for optimizing gas wells experiencing liquid loading. This animation shows natural phenomenon of liquid loading that leads to reduced or complete stoppage of gas production. Gas wells often produce liquids in form of reservoir water or hydrocarbon condensates. In the early stage of its life, a gas well is able to maintain gas flow rates above the critical rate needed to carry produced liquids to the surface. During this period, the tubing and casing pressures and differential pressure are fairly stable, as seen on the pressure gauges. The chart on the left depicts the gas flow rates change over time. As with the tubing and casing pressures, the flow rate is fairly constant while the well is flowing above critical rates. As we move downhole, notice gas, red in color, and liquid, gray in color, dispersed throughout the tubing in both mist and slug flow regimes, indicating the onset of liquid loading. Over time, the reservoir energy will deplete to the point where the gas flow rate will no longer carry the produced liquids to the surface. The liquid mist will accumulate to develop droplets that fall to the bottom of the tubing, creating slugs of liquid dispersed in the gas stream, which results in erratic flow and increasing tubing casing pressure differentials, as seen on the flow chart and pressure gauges. You will also notice an accumulation of liquid in the bottom of the well, causing an ever-increasing liquid column which exerts hydrostatic pressure on the reservoir and restricts inflow. Eventually, as seen on the flow chart and tubing pressure gauge, there will be very low flow or production from the well. The increase in the tubing casing pressure differential is directly proportional to the amount of liquid accumulating in the tubing and the corresponding liquid column height. This well will require some type of artificial lift solution to return it to the projected decline curve and stable production. Please consult your local Weatherford artificial lift representative for more details.